Executive English for PE, ask versus inform in board updates. Board meetings move fast, and attention is limited. When you're clear, you earn trust and action. In private equity updates, ambiguity costs time, and time costs money. If directors can't tell whether you're asking for something or simply informing, they'll pause, probe, and postpone. That means delayed investments, missed windows, and repeated meetings. Our goal today is simple. Use precise language that makes decisions faster, reduces back and forth, and shows strong ownership. By the end, you'll know exactly how to frame an ask versus an inform, so the board can respond in minutes, not weeks. Here's the core split. An ask means you need approval, funding, or a decision now. You're unlocking progress, so your language must be direct and time-bound. An inform means you're sharing status, results, or outcomes. Useful context, but no vote required. The key is to signal urgency and ownership. With an ask, state the decision, the amount or scope, and the deadline. With an inform, highlight the result and implications. Make it instantly obvious. Are we deciding or just acknowledging? Clear signaling reduces friction and keeps momentum. Start strong. Lead with a command verb, approve, decide, allocate, authorize. Then specify amount, timing, and a concise why. Example: approve $2.5 million in Q4 to accelerate pipeline by 15%. Offer 1 to 2 options to show you've done the work, and recommend one to guide the board. Option A reduces churn fastest. Recommend A. Finally, commit to next steps after approval. If approved today, we sign vendor by Friday and launch in 2 weeks. Clear verbs, concrete numbers, visible ownership, no fluff. Use a headline that tells the story. Result, impact, and variance versus plan. Example: Q2 arranged by +9% versus plan. Upsell led growth. Then give one metric, one driver, one risk. +9% arranged by driver, enterprise upsell. Risk, renewal concentration. Keep it punchy, close with no decision required, so directors relax into listening rather than hunting for the ask. Invite questions, not decisions. Happy to discuss churn cohort or pipeline quality. This format respects time while delivering exactly what leaders need to stay aligned. Ask: approve $2.5 million CapEx in Q4 to cut churn 3%. Vendor selected, ROI 14 months. Decision needed by October 15th. Ask: decide on divestment of Unit X by November 30th. 2 bids in range. Recommend bid B for clean separation and higher cash at close. Inform: Q2 EBITDA plus 7% versus plan. Price mix main driver. Risk: raw materials volatility. No decision required. Inform: cyber audit complete. No critical findings. 2 medium issues patched. Monitoring ongoing. No decision required. Notice the verbs, numbers, and deadlines. They drive clarity and action. Watch for weak signals. Vague verbs like update, touch base, or share thoughts create fog. Use approve/decide/allocate instead. Mixed messages happen when you hide an ask mid-deck, boards miss it, and momentum stalls. Softening language might consider, explore, weakens urgency. Fix it with bold header lines that start with ask or inform, followed by the key fact. Ask: approve $1.2 million OPEX to launch Tier 2 support by December 1st. Make the decision unmistakable at a glance. Subject: ask or inform plus topic. Allocate $2 million for APAC rollout. Top line: one-sentence headline with action or result. Bullets: data. Metric/amount. Driver: what's causing it. Decision or none. Explicit: keep to 2 to 4 bullets max. Close: owner, deadline, and attachments / appendix refs for depth. Owner: CFO. Deadline: October 20th. See Appendix A for model. This structure lets leaders process quickly and respond decisively without digging through slides. Decisions need explicit asks. Status needs crisp informs. Lead with action verbs and concrete data to show urgency and ownership. Separate asks from informs so directors know when to decide and when to note. When in doubt, label the header with ask or inform, give one metric and one driver, and close with either a deadline or no decision required. Clarity earns trust, accelerates decisions, and keeps your PE updates tight, credible, and effective.